Hello, I'm Trina Sims of Green Star Herbs in Austin, Texas. Today we're going to talk about some of the most common uses for ginger root. Ginger is commonly available in three forms: the fresh root, the dried root, either chopped or as a powder, and as crystallized ginger, which is a form that has been cooked with syrup and is convenient and easy to eat. All three forms are used to alleviate gas, bloating, and other digestive discomfort. A tea is easily prepared from either the fresh or the dried root simply by steeping the equivalent of a teaspoon or a little bit more in a cup of hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. Also, simply nibbling a piece or two of the crystallized ginger alleviates gas, bloating, and the rest of the digestive discomforts, and is particularly well known for alleviating morning sickness for expectant mothers safely, conveniently, and very, very pleasantly. Another use for ginger root in the forms of fresh or dried is as a circulatory stimulant to help warm chilled hands and feet or chilliness in general. Again, a tea made from either form, left to sit for 5 to 10 minutes, sweetened to taste, and drunk, is almost guaranteed to warm up those cold hands and feet and give you a little lift of energy for the next few hours as well. These are some of the most common uses for ginger in several of its most conveniently available forms.